A 2-on-1 that had all the possibility in the world, but it became a 1-on-1, though a good shot off the post. It's brought back now. Tyler Arneson drops, and the shot is caught and held by Chris Osgood. Of the six original teams, there are 5 that as of today would not be in the playoffs. This one that you're watching in the red uniforms is the only one, and they are clearly one of the strong teams. Only 2 points away from the Brett Sauer. And online comes Wojtek Polsky. Polsky's shot is saved by Osgood. 4th game back.
Yourself between the Red Wing player with the puck in your goal.
Brought ahead now by Stastny. Front score! Milan Hajduk on a pass from Stastny. And the first goal of the game has been scored.
This is an amazing...
A good bit of scrappiness by this Colorado team. It is forced into the goal by Arneson, just a little lift, and I think it surprised him too. It popped into the upper part of the net, and Colorado has struck again, 2-0.
You can't blame Colorado for their effort level, but Mike Babcock...
Could be huge for Colorado. It will likely be huge for Calgary, as tightly bunched as they are. Centering pass across, score! Phil Pala! Are you guys noticing that they're doing the same thing this period, going to the 1-4?
Not yet, I haven't.
Turnaround shot by Draper, deflected behind and in! Budaj got a stick on it, but it rattled into the cage. It's a tie game. Big attempt.
Joel Quenneville, sorry, Mike, not happy at all. Telling guys start getting stronger on the puck.
Follow up by Hajduk, right around in front, backhander, score! What a play by Brett McLean on a feed from Hajduk, and it's 3-2 Colorado.
Joel Schiffer, that's it, time for him to get off.
Made a nice play there, covering up for Lidstrom, who jumped into the play. Good recognition defensively.
Bronson feeds, and a quick shot by Draper is held by Budaj. Your watch pulls up at the boards and wanted to pass, but the referee in the way. Forced off Hudler to Robert Lang, and a save made by Budaj. Rebound, Lang battling for it behind. Dealing back in for Calder. Played along now by Lang. Then for Snyder, a bouncer. It's all around the net and in! It counts! Another ricochet. Tie game. Blocked away by Volsky. It'll be a 2-on-1. Trying to catch up Snyder. Volsky across. Has Richardson. Oh, and remarkably score! It looked like Osgood had it, but it crossed the line. And Colorado has gotten the 2 points.